D3O, the life-saving protective goo. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Probe. In today's video we're going to talk about D3O, the life-saving protective goo. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Have you heard of D3O? Do you wonder what it is? Perhaps another android in Star Wars? Nope. The material is a special goo that may just save your electronics. And your life. Could the slimy, brightly colored orange goo be a real-life version of the flubber from the 1997 film starring Robin Williams? Not quite, but while it may look like it's made for children, in reality it's revolutionizing the way soldiers are protected, and could radically reduce the number of head trauma injuries in football. It's used in all types of protective equipment, including military wear and sportswear. Want to see some remarkable products made from it if you were attacked with a baseball bat and you were wearing this bright orange goop under your clothes? Then your attacker might as well have swung a toothpick at you. The goop will take the hit for you and absorb the strike. How does it work? It's a soft gooey material that hardens on impact to protect your electronics and wearables. D3O's goo's natural state is fluid and flows easily, enabling the goo to be even worn since it doesn't interfere with mobility. Even better, there is no one formulation or application of the material. There is D3O putty as well as D3O foam. One popular application for D3O is motorcycles. This makes a lot of sense since it specializes in impact protection and shock absorption. Perhaps the most impressive thing is watching D3O in action. It is mesmerizing to see it harden on impact. At first glance, it seems almost magical the way the gooey material can turn so hard so suddenly. In today's world, we have more and more small and fragile electronics that need protection. It's good to see that scientists and engineers are coming up with such impressive solutions. Watch our video to find out more and buy your own D3O products here. D3O consuited the remarkable soft, stretchy, flexible orange material that absorbs shock. Incorporated into their Truss line of armor, there's a wide range available from helmets, chest, back, and knuckle armor through elbow, knee, and foot protection. Orange Goo fortified options can shield you from head to toe against blunt force trauma. D3O is a design and technology company that develops and manufactures top-of-the-line protection products for an array of industries. Whether it's soldiers, professional athletes, or industrial workers, D3O is there to make their jobs safer. The company has worked with brands like Under Armour, Dr. Martens, and Adidas to develop protective gear like pads, gloves, and insoles. But what separates D3O from its competitors is its use of patented and proprietary shock-absorbing material. Inside a typical D3O kit, there's a branded goo, a hammer, ball bearing, a D3O foam sample, and a foam from a competitor. The orange goo seems soft and flexible at first, but if you wrapped it around your fingertips and then smashed your hand with the hammer, the goo would stiffen under impact and protect you. If you drop the ball bearing onto the standard foam, you could expect it to bounce a couple of times, but when the same ball is dropped on the D3O foam, the shock is instantly absorbed. It doesn't bounce at all. However, D3O is not defined by one product or material. Rather, it's a line of various formulations with similar properties, each designed for a range of markets and applications. Some items are foams, elastometers, or additives developed by the D3O team. Others are products where a patented material is integrated, like defense helmets for soldiers, knee protections for athletes, and limb protections for motorcyclists. D3O concocted this remarkable soft, stretchy, flexible orange material that absorbs shock. Incorporated into their Truss line of armor, there's a wide range available from helmets, chest, back, and knuckle armor through the elbow, knee, or foot protection. Orange Goo fortified options can shield you from head to toe against blunt force trauma. While you may not be able to pick up some patented D3O goo at the local art supply store, it is sure cool watching it in action. Sure, the raw material looks and feels like very orange silly putty, but this advanced material is the key to ultra lightweight body armor that feels like you are wearing regular apparel. This orange goo is so powerful it only requires a thin layer to deliver incredible protection. How could the orange goo protect the police? Every year, law enforcement and military members are assaulted and subjected to blunt force trauma on the line of duty. Patrolling on foot, catching criminals, physical dispute, interventions, public disorder incidents, traffic stops, searchers and suspects who resist capture are just a few of the many ways police officers can end up suffering a blunt force trauma injury. Those who serve our nation deserve every possible protection, and they need protection that won't hinder their ability to do their job. They need light protection that doesn't slow them down or inhibit movement. Who uses this armor? So far, elite military teams like US Special Forces have been leveraging D3O for body protection. Allies such as France and Great Britain have been exploring its potential in military and policing applications. Knuckle Protection. The D3O orange goo can be integrated into gloves to discreetly provide enhanced protection. There are several options available for different protection levels and tasks. Hand dexterity is vital in defense and law enforcement for weapon handling, of course, but also many other tasks. Fit and flexibility are key factors to maintain dexterity, so the G1 has multiple flex points incorporated and thin and light protection built in. D3O's research suggests that when fingers are hit with blunt force, the innovative orange material provides a whopping 50% better reduction in the amount of force that reaches the fingers than other protective gloves available on the market. Truss Vest. The futuristic-looking Truss Vest armor worn beneath a regular shirt will basically be unnoticeable. In practice, this means you're wearing a vest protecting your stomach. The orange goo inside the vest will absorb a punch, a thrown brick, even the impact of a tire iron swung at you. The Truss Vest meets the British HOSDB Blunt Trauma Protector standard and incorporates flame-resistant fabric, enhancing helmet protection. If you have a helmet with these astonishing orange goo liners, then you could have a chair smashed over your head and goo will absorb blow for you. The 7-component trussed helmet liner system weighs 13.65 grams and includes a 14mm thick trap pad. Partnerships like the D3O liner and segregation into Schultz sports helmets have helped to make access to this remarkable innovation more available to civilians. Now, football, lacrosse, and baseball players can benefit from this advanced trauma protection too. The amazing goo is also now available in protective apparel for other high-impact popular sports like motorcycle racing, mountain biking, and snowboarding. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any amazing video from us.